Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Wing. In this video, I am sharing meaningful and unique mom-led tattoos. These tattoo designs are very popular nowadays and suitable for men and women. Mom-led tattoos express unconditional love for our parents. Mom-led tattoos are first choice for people to get inked for the first time, as there is no regret for the same. I hope this video may helpful to choose best mounted tattoo. If you like this collection, please click the like button, let me know in the comments, and also share this video to family and friends. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel Fashion Wing and also click the bell icon to receive the notification of my latest tattoo and other fashion related videos. Thanks for watching.